What's going on, brother? Welcome back to another video. So I've been gone for a bit, guys, and it's just because life is lifing right now, and a few things come up, and again it's the Christmas holiday, so you have to also spend time with family. And Merry Christmas to you guys, for all those who celebrate it. And again, with the giveaway car, guys, the update on this is that we will be extending it to the 30th of December. It was supposed to be until Christmas Day, but as I said before, other things came in the way, and not even my front wheel drive car I was able to really give some love over this holiday. But we're back, and bigger things coming for next year, God's willing. So you guys can stay tuned now. So we'll be announcing the winner on January 1st, and hope you guys win, or one of you guys will win. And how you can enter is to like my videos, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram. There's a remote that goes with it. Yep. So good luck. So over here, the aim was to give you guys an update on the front wheel drive drag build, because this is what I'm giving preference from the other day. I'm going to be showing you guys what's up with this and the progress that we have made. So the last part that I left off with this build now, guys, is that I did do some work to the chassis, took it apart, changed some stuff on the gearbox, and I did show you guys all of that. So what I'll be doing now is showing you guys how I put the wiring back into the car, and also apart from that I will be putting a different servo. Not really a brand new servo, but definitely a servo that I didn't really use. It's slightly used, and I definitely don't see the point in buying something new when you have parts laying around that you can use. And so far it's coming out good. I'm definitely getting the car to have more of a forward dip, and there is some form of better sturdiness with the chassis right now, and I'm really liking how it's coming together. So for now added back the same ESC, because I have another project that I'll be doing next year that will definitely be a costly one, so I'm trying to invest my time and funds wisely where that's concerned. But it will be definitely 10 times better than this build, guys. Did some more wiring work where I kind of got the wires out a bit neater, clean up the ESC, added back a fan, because in the summer I was running without a fan, and basically fixing issues that should have been fixed. For example, where the servo goes to steer the car, did some cleaning there, tighten the screws to hold the servo right there, and then I'll be changing out this one, which would be a better servo, more responsive, and will handle what I need it to do. And I'll be doing some more work, try to do a bit of alignment work with the chassis to get the wheels properly aligned. But even with the gearing and the motor, I haven't decided what I'm going to go with yet for the gearing, but I will be using the same motor. Again, might be upgrading the ESC, depends on how things turn out, but overall this might be the main setup for the overall chassis. But for sure I'll be changing the battery. I won't be using the same battery. For sure the gearing will be different too, so you guys can stay tuned. Well, guys, if you do make it into the new year, return the bumper and see where things will take us. So until then, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, guys.